Use supporter creator code FUZION here in your Fortnite item shop. Hey, what's up guys, Josh or Fusion here, and welcome back to another Fortnite video. And in today's video, I wanted to answer some questions from the last video where I showed you guys how to file your refund claim for the Fortnite FTC Settlement. There was a ton of comments on it, a ton of support too. Thank you guys for all the support on the video. If you guys want to know how to file your Fortnite FTC refund to refund every Fortnite purchase you ever made and get all your money back, make sure you guys watch the last video. It'll be linked in the card in the top right, and you guys only have 2 more days left to do so. But in today's video, I just wanted to answer a bunch of the commonly asked questions so you guys know when you're going to get your refund. If you're in need of some new Fortnite skins but don't want to break the bank, check out the Ko-fi shop, link in description and comments. On here we have 11 different Fortnite bundles posted, from affordable skin bundles like the Batman Who Laughs and Rebirth Harley Quinn, to rare discontinued starter pack bundles like the Lava Legends pack, the Frozen Legends pack, and the Minty Legends pack. If you guys want to check out the code shop and pick up any of the Fortnite bundles we have, link will be in the description in the comments. Starting off with the first question coming in from Duel, how long does it take to go through? Obviously what he means by this is how long does it take to receive the refund after you file for it, and the FTC says that it can take up to 6 months after you file to actually receive your refund. Personally, it only took me about 2 months, and other people it only took a couple weeks, so it's really different for everybody. It says I don't live in the US, but I do. I don't know how to help you with that one, bro. That seems like that's on you and your account. You're gonna have to use a VPN or something like that. Any way to make my account eligible when I live in Europe. I'll pay you 10% of my refund, accounts assumingly worth 700 plus euros. Unfortunately, guys, you can only file for an FTC Fortnite refund if you live in the United States. This is mostly from the fact that the FTC is a United States entity. It's only for the United States people. Again, Immaculate J asks, how long does it take? It's different for everybody. How do I get my account ID without accepting the new terms of service that don't allow you to get a refund? If you guys want more clarification on the new Fortnite terms of service and how to opt out of them, watch the video in the top right. In that video, I show you guys how to opt out of the crazy new Fortnite terms of service so you guys can still join class action lawsuits such as this one. Does it sell everything? I'm assuming this means, does it get rid of all your skins, all your items on your account if you refund everything? And the answer is no. I actually got my Fortnite refund. I showed how much I got in the last video if you guys are interested, and even though I received my Fortnite refund, I kept all of my skins, all of my items on my account. What happens if I lie? I've gotten this question a lot. I got it when I made videos on this before. Basically, what happens if I lie about how much I spent on the game? Will you get more back? And the answer is no. When I filed for the refund, I put that I spent 500, and when I received the refund, I only got 250. So with that information, you guys can know that you're only going to get back exactly what you spent. You're not going to get more. So if you lie, it doesn't matter. Just do the best estimate that you can. Again, do I lose all my skins if I refund? Someone says obviously, and then they replied, but some people said you don't, some people said you do. Guys, you don't lose your skins, you don't lose any of your items if you file for an FTC Fortnite refund. Don't let people tell you will. They're just trying to get you to not get your money back. I have no idea how much I spent, but I got like 250 skins. I bought most of these things in mobile in the App Store, so how would I verify if they asked for documents? Luckily, bro, they never asked me to verify anything. It's just if you say that you spent more than you did, they're just only going to give you back what you actually spent, and they're not actually going to ask you for any supporting documents, so don't worry about that. I was too quick and accepted the TOS to get into my Epic account. Can I no longer get the money, or what will happen? Fortunately, Epic does give us a limited time to opt out of these crazy new Fortnite terms of service, and if you guys do want to know how to, make sure you guys watch that video. It will be in the card in the top right or in the description. So you guys can opt out of these terms of service. Even if you accepted them, you can send a letter to say that you still want to be in class action lawsuits and other sort of things for your legal rights, which is a really important thing. And I love how people say I'm yapping when I say things like that. If you guys don't want to opt out of the crazy terms of service and not get your refund, go ahead. I share these things with you guys to help you out. I'm not trying to yap to make the video longer. Will this work on my banned account? Someone replied saying it should because you still purchase the stuff, and I agree with this guy. Since you did make these purchases, even if the account was banned, you should still be able to get the refund from the Fortnite FTC refunds. And also, a ton of accounts just got unbanned, so you might want to check to see if your Fortnite account got unbanned in that wave. If you're in need of some new Fortnite skins but don't want to break the bank, check out the Ko-fi shop, link in description and comments. On here we have 11 different Fortnite bundles posted, from affordable skin bundles like the Batman Who Laughs and Rebirth Harley Quinn, to rare discontinued starter pack bundles like the Lava Legends pack, the Frozen Legends pack, and the Minty Legends pack. If you guys want to check out the code shop and pick up any of the Fortnite bundles we have, link will be in the description in the comments. Wait, doesn't it ask how many V-Bucks you sent? I'm assuming he means spent, and yes, bro, there is a question on there about how many V-Bucks V-Bucks you've spent. What about for the UK? Like I said earlier, this is only for the US, guys. So unfortunately, if you guys don't live in the United States, you can't file for an FTC Fortnite refund. This guy said I made 1K. This just goes to show how much you guys can get from the Fortnite FTC refunds. I only made 250. If this guy's actually being truthful, that's actually insane. He got 1K back. Does it still work if I used half my name? Guys, this is a legal document. The FTC is the Federal Trade Commission. It's a part of the United States government. There's no reason to give half of your name, and most likely if you do that, you're actually not going to get your refund. So be truthful with them. It's the government. This guy said I just got my check for 4K. That's insane. You guys can get so much back from the Fortnite refunds. I'm 12.8 years old and I've only ever spent $18 on the game. I just kept buying the battle passes again and again, and then I accidentally bought a glider that was trashed as heck, and then cried and cried until I begged my dad to buy me 1,000 extra V-Bucks so I can buy the Chapter 2 Season 3 Battle Pass. So is there any way I can refund 1,000 V-Bucks or not? Alexa, when did Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 3 come out? What year? Since that season came out before 2022, as long as you were charged for in-game currency for items that you didn't want between January 2017 and September 2022, you're eligible to file for the Fortnite refunds. So yes, you're eligible to file for the refunds, bro. But in your case, since you're 12.8 years old, crazy way to put it, by the way, you're gonna have to have your parent or guardian file for you, and most likely they're the ones that made the purchases anyway, so they're the ones that should be filing for it. Use supporter creator code FUZION here in your Fortnite item shop. I spent over 2K on Fortnite. I'm gonna be so rich. W, bro, W Fortnite refund method. I hope you get all 2K. I hope you get all 2K back. 2025, we're all refunding our Fortnite accounts if you're actually eligible to. Don't do it if you didn't accidentally make the purchases. I'm not encouraging that. W, on 2 different accounts, I said I spent over 425,000 V-Bucks, which, to be honest, I'm not even kidding. I stole from my mom and dad when I was a kid. He never checked the bills, but then he eventually figured out that we were missing hella money. I was young and thought it was infinite money. So in one of these cases, yes, your parents could file for the Fortnite FTC refunds, especially since these were purchases made by someone who was under 18. That's one of the requirements on the FTC to be able to file for the refunds. How is it even legal for a company to just be able to add whatever they want into the TOS? LMAO, that's what I'm saying exactly. I don't get it, man. They saw everybody filing for their Fortnite refunds, and then they decided to sneak it into the TOS that, nope, you can't join any class action lawsuits, and they also snuck other things in there as well, that if you make YouTube videos, they're allowed to use whatever content they want and use it for their trailers, use it for whatever, and they don't have to give you any permission. Isn't that nice? They're a really nice company, guys, and that's all I'm trying to share with you guys. Just trying to let you guys know how to opt out of this stuff and how to actually get your refunds, because obviously Fortnite does not want you to get it. Does anyone know, did they ever ask y'all for additional documents or info? No, they never asked me. I filed for the refund, and then a couple months later, I got the money in my PayPal. They never asked me for any additional documents or info, so you guys don't have to worry about that. How do you make a claim number? A lot of people never got a claim number in the email or got a letter with a claim number. You can just hit no when it asks you about it on the FTC website. I'm not 18 and my parent/guardian don't want to sign it. What do I do? Should I just put my name anyway? No, you shouldn't put your name. You should try to convince your parents, but if they tell you no, then don't do it. It's up to them ultimately. Does this work in the States? This only works in the United States. I got 7.5K. That's complete cap. There's no way. Just made my 1,575 back. People are replying saying, cap, shut up, no you didn't. Seems like a lot of people just jealous and mad over this W Fortnite refund method, guys. I don't know what you think. I mean, I got my money back. Spent that right back on Fortnite skins, if you know what I'm saying. All right, anyways, guys, in today's video, I just wanted to answer a bunch of the commonly asked questions from the last video where I showed you guys how to file for your Fortnite FTC refund. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, only have 2 days left to file for your refund, so you guys are really running out of time at this point. I've been covering these refunds for years now, so I guess we're finally coming to an end. But if you guys want to stay updated on more settlements for companies, such as I just made a video on the Siri settlement for Apple, for Siri listening to you when you don't want her to, make sure you guys subscribe to Fusion here. I'm going to be making more videos just like this one. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching. This has been Josh or Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you to Moomoo for making this video possible. When you guys sign up for Moomoo using my link in the description or the comments, you guys can get up to 60 free stocks and 8.1% APY on all your uninvested cash. Just like my song Money Up, 2025 is all about getting your money up, and if you guys want to do that, sign up for a Moomoo brokerage account. It really is the best brokerage account offer out there. I've searched and searched. It's better than all of the competitors. I'll be making a whole video for how to sign up for Moomoo and how to trade using it soon. And I'm also starting a new finance channel where I'll be showing you guys how to make money and the best sign up offers. Sign up for Moomoo today with my link in the description or the comments.